In this video, we're going to work on problem 6 from the practice exam. In part A, we're supposed to use the Excel data analysis tool to construct the correlation matrix for reading, writing, math, citizenship, and science, and then we're supposed to use conditional formatting to highlight any correlation above 0.65 but less than 1.0. So first we're going to select any cell within the list. We're going to click Data, and we should see the Analyze group on the right hand side with the Data Analysis button. If you do not see that, click File and then Options. On the left hand side, click Add-ins. Next to Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go, and make sure that the checkbox for Analysis Toolpack is checked. As long as that is checked, click OK, and when you go back to your Data tab, you should see your Data Analysis group. So I'm going to click Data Analysis. I'm going to scroll up until I see Correlation, and then I'm going to click OK. My input range is going to be cell B1 all the way down to F. I told you not to include all. B1 down to F32, and make sure that you check the labels in the first row, otherwise it will fail because you can't correlate non-numeric data. So we could not include the school district in our correlation, only numerical data. So labels in the first row tells it that the first row is not numerical. I will click the output range, click in the box for output range, click cell J11, and click OK. And I have now constructed my correlation matrix. Now to use the conditional formatting, I'm going to make sure that my correlation matrix is selected. If it's not selected, I'm going to select the range J11 down to O16, and I'm going to click on the Home tab. In the Styles group, I'm going to click Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and then Between. Unfortunately, if I put 0.65 and 1, it will include 0.65 and it will include 1. So to get above 0.65, in the first box I will type 0.651, and since it will be less than 1, between and 0.99, and I'm going to highlight those cells with light red fill with dark red text. And I click OK, and I can see here that most of my correlations are in fact very high. We have now done all the requirements for problem 6.